So, quick chat about your ski poles, quite often overlooked. Firstly, the length. When you're standing on the flat, on your skis, and the pole's in the ground, you pretty much want your arm about a right angle. Secondly, the strap. Now, take a moment and get that the right length. Ideally, once you've placed your hand through the strap, you actually want it to come down onto your palm there, and it's actually the strap that holds a lot of the force. So it just stops you gripping the pole like a crazy person, getting a tense arm, which will make your shoulders stiff, kind of encourage this very rigid arm position. So take a moment, get the strap the right length, and you can keep your hand nice and relaxed.